Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites, a supported AMD GPU and Adrenalin software. Open Radeon software and enable Relive. This activates capture hooks into games. Once done, choose a save folder on a fast drive and set a default hotkey. This prevents accidental overwrites. Make sure recording quality and encoder are set to your GPU hardware encoder so performance stays high. These first steps minimize configuration friction and let you begin recording immediately without frame drops. Next, you configure the recording parameters for the session. You choose resolution and FPS depending on target platform, 60 FPS for smooth gameplay, 30 to save space. Set bitrate or VBR to balance file size and quality. Higher bitrate reduces artifacts. Turn on microphone capture and enable separate audio tracks if you plan to edit voice and game sound independently. Once configured, test a short clip to verify levels and performance before committing to a long recording. Finally, begin recording using the hotkey or overlay and keep an eye on the indicator. When finished, check the saved file for sync and quality. Use Relive's highlights or an editor to trim footage. If you encounter dropped frames, stuttering, or Relive crashes, first update GPU drivers, then reduce bitrate or resolution and disable overlays or unnecessary background apps. If audio is out of sync, try switching to single-track capture temporarily and retest. These fixes resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.